Good morning from Hackensack. Yes, it's morning, 8:45, and I have this wild Coho Salmon fillet we picked up at Costco yesterday. We went out to dinner last night, so we didn't get a chance to cook it. So I'm cooking it this morning with some ripe peaches. I'm going to top it with tomato reduction, red wine, some garlic and onion in there. You might be looking at the color of this salmon and saying, this doesn't look like wild salmon. It looks like farm salmon. It's got that pale pink orange color of farm salmon, but in fact it is wild Coho salmon. And Coho is appearing at the end of the salmon season at Costco after weeks of Sockeye Salmon, that rich red pink color that the Sockeye has. But I show you it's wild, and I've cut it up into serving portions, lemon juice, a little salt. I'll be putting it on the grill in a few minutes. So the salmon's on the Stovetop grill I have. This is straddles 2 burners. I have it on medium, between medium and medium high for each burner. I used some Costco no-stick cooking spray, canola oil, which is non-GMO canola oil, and it's only going to take about 4 minutes on the skin side. Like I said, only 4 minutes on the skin side, and then 3 or 4 minutes on the other side. These are a little thicker than sockeye fillet, so I might extend the cooking time a little bit. So I just turned these after 4 minutes, and I think we're going to do another 4 or 5 minutes on the other side. These are thicker, as I said, and they don't look like they'll cook in 3 minutes. So I called it after 5 minutes on the other side. I also made an omelet this morning with leftover a marinara with sardines I had in the refrigerator, and I stuffed that with spinach and grated Parmesan. Here's the Coho Salmon fillet, moist, with the reduction of red wine, tomatoes, garlic, onion, some dried and fresh mint. Enjoy.